Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather, and Others YouTube channel. As you can see, I have here my Iron Heart shirt 295 in double black. It is size small, and this is my entry in the year 4 Red Line Rally Denifade competition in the repair category. Actually, I've for last year I used this for 365 days, and then I think I was it before I was able to store in my locker. And then at the start of the Red Line Rally last May, I registered this shirt in the repair category. And I've been using it since May. And this is actually the 6th month on the Year 4 Red Line Rally Denim Fade competition for the shirt and repair category. So if I'm going to add all the number of days and months and weeks that I've been using this, this is already 18 months. So 12 months for 1 year plus 6 months. So this is the 18-month update of this particular denim shirt from Ironheart. And I have it washed once and then soak it once before I use it. And this is the update. As you can see, you have a nice fading on the hem of the sleeves. Of course, you have nice honeycombs on the sleeves, and this is a very stubborn black denim. It is very hard to fade it. You can only see a small amount of fade just by seeing on the placket of the shirt. It's only on the edges that you see some fading on the edges. So this is a salvage denim, and by the way, I bought it here in the Philippines locally for the shirt, and I was glad I got it from the Signet store here in Metro Manila, Philippines. Of course, the conversion is almost the same with what I paid for with the shirt in the Philippines. So you can see the nice fade, but the black is really very, very stubborn. And during the first year that I've been using this, I only use this for my getting out of the house, long driving, and going to international travel. I brought this shirt for 2 times already to Japan, and then 2 times to the United States. And I've been using this as my overshirt. And while here in the Philippines, if I'm here in the house and my air condition is turned on, I usually use this shirt. And you can see at the back portion, you have a very nice bits of some fading on the edges of the shirt, like the back of the collar. You can see some white, and at the back of the armpit, you can see a semblance of fading on the sleeves, on the edges, at the back. And I've been using this as my houseware, and also using it whenever I sleep during nighttime and during nap time after lunch in the afternoon. So this is what it appears. I have some foldings or creases, but I think these are just temporary, and we will see if what happens after I wash them for the second time. However, I don't have any intention of washing them after this month. You can see there is always natural that there is a folding on the back of the hem of the shirt, which is very normal to all the denim shirts that I have. By the way, this is a 14 ounce in weight, which means that it is 14 ounce per square yard. And this is a very thick denim fabric, which is not, I think, very normal to be used here in the Philippines. But it's been a hard time for me to really put some work on this denim shirt. But I'm glad I'm having some creases. I'm glad also that there are some fading on the edges of this shirt. And I'm enjoying using this Iron Heart shirt. And as I repeat, I've been using this in my long trips while driving. I use this in my travel abroad, even travel here locally. And you see some initial fading on the hem, which is very normal. But for the quality of this Iron Heart shirt, it is really 100% very nice and very superior. That is what I like about the Iron Heart, because all the stitching, all the things that you can see in the shirt is perfect. So yes, I like those honeycombs forming, and I usually have some spray of solution of alcohol, 50-50%, just to remove the smell. But most of the time I don't sweat on this shirt. So I'm halfway with the Red Line Rally Year 4 on the repair category in this shirt.